Good morning, student. Today's article is rotational energy levels of diatomic molecule. Consider a diatomic molecule M1 and M2 like SCl, in which two atoms are separated by rigid distance r. This is the rigid distance r, small r, and having masses M1 and M2. This is M1 and M2 as shown in figure. The lowest energy level of a diatomic molecule arises from rotation about its center of mass. This is the C means center of mass. Consider a linear rigid diatomic molecule as shown in figure. The two masses rotate about the axis that passes through C. C means center of mass. The center of mass and perpendicular to the bond length. This is the bond length R. This bond length R. The rotation with respect to the bond axis is possible only for classical objects with large masses. For quantum objects, rotation with respect to molecular axis does not correspond to any change in molecule as the new configuration is indistinguishable from the old one. The moment of inertia about an axis passing through center of mass and perpendicular to a line joining the atom is I is equal to m1 r1 square plus m2 r2 square. This is equation number 1. This is I means moment of inertia, where r1 and r2 are the distance of atoms of masses m1 and m2 from the axis respectively. Then we have m1 r1 is equal to m2 r2. This is equation number r is equal to r1 plus r2. This is equation number 2. Okay, the center of mass is defined by equating the moments on both. This is the m1 and m2 segment of the molecular axis, that is m1 r1 is equal to m2 r2. This is equation number 3. Okay, equation 2 and 3, this and this equation gives r1 is equal to m2 upon m1 plus m2 into r, and r2 is equal to m1 upon m1 plus m2 into r. r1 means this distance, r1 is equal to m2 because of these masses correspond to this mass, m1 upon m1 plus m2 into r. r is the distance between two masses. r2 is equal to, r2 correspond to m1 upon m1 plus m2 into r. Okay, the moment of inertia from equation 1 is given by, what is the equation? I is equal to m1 r1 square plus m2 r2 square. This is equation number 1. Put the values of r1 and r2 in this equation. Therefore m1 in bracket, what is the value of r1 m2 upon m1 plus m2 into r, that is the whole square, plus m2 into m1 upon m1 plus m2 into r whole square. This is equation number 4. Okay, then this equation gives I is equal to, I means moment of inertia, I is equal to m1 m2 into r square. This is m1 m2 and these are r square upon m1 plus m. E is equal to simply mu r square. Okay, this is equation number 5, where mu is the reduced mass is given by mu is equal to m1 m2 upon m1 plus m2, or 1 upon mu is equal to 1 upon m1 plus 1 upon m2. This is equation number 6. Okay, the classical expression for a body rotating about a given axis with angular velocity, because of they are rotating in circularly, that is why angular velocity omega is angular velocity omega is E is equal to 1 by 2 I omega square. Okay, half I into omega square. This is equation number 7. The angular momentum of the molecule has the magnitude L is equal to I omega. Thus, the energy of rotation is given as E is equal to, put this value in this equation, E is equal to capital L square upon 2I. This is equation number 8. Okay, according to classical theory, there are two theories. First one is classical and second one is quantum theory. According to classical theories, radiation of frequency, any frequency may be absorbed by a molecule with a permanent dipole moment, since there is no restriction on the rotational frequency of the molecules. But quantum theory requires that a molecule may only possesses angular momentum given by equation. Okay, in quantum theory, capital L is equal to square root of small l into L plus 1 into h upon 2 pi or h cross. Okay, where h is Planck's constant. This gives energy of rigid rotator as E rotator ROT, E ROT is equal to L into L plus 1 into h square upon 4 pi square into 2I, or L into L plus 1 into s square upon 8 pi square into I. Okay, this is equation number 9 and this is equation number 10. Okay, where L is called orbital quantum number. Orbital quantum number, and its value is L is equal to 0, 1, 2, 3 and so on. 0, 1, 2, 3 and so on. 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 1 Therefore, the contained rotational energy levels for this atomic molecule are En is equal to h square upon 8 pi square into I into L into L plus 1. This is equation number 11. The energy difference between two rotational levels is usually expressed in per centimeter. Unit is per centimeter. The wave number corresponds to a given delta E, change in energy, is given by nu bar is equal to delta E upon hc. Unit is per centimeter. This is equation number 12. The energy levels in per centimeter are therefore Ej is equal to B into L plus 1. This is equation number 13, where B is equal to H upon 8 pi square IC. 8 pi square into IC. And this is the final equation. Ej is equal to BL into L plus 1. B means H upon 8 pi square upon IC. I means moment of inertia. Okay. Therefore, using this equation, we have to find out the rotational energy levels in diatomic molecules are shown in figure. This figure, these are the levels, rotational levels. These are the 0, 2B, 6B, 12B, 20B and so on. These are the EJ. Sorry, EL. And these are the 1, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. These are the orbital quantum number. How to find out the value of EL? I think this is EJ. Okay, EJ. Therefore, formula is EJ is equal to B into L plus 1. Put the value of first. L is for L is equal to 0. Equation is EJ is equal to B into L plus 1. B into, what is the value of L? 0 into 0 plus 1. 0. This is the value of 0. This is the first value. For, then second, for L is equal to 1. Put this value in this equation. L is equal to 1. Formula EJ is equal to B into L plus 1. B as it is, what is L? 1 into 1 plus 1, 2B. Okay, this is 2B. Same as for L is equal to 2. Formula is EJ is equal to B into L plus 1. B as it is, what is the value of L? 2 into 2 plus 1. 3 into 2, 6. This is 6B. Okay. Using this formula, we have to calculate the value of EJ. The selection rule for rotational transition is delta L is equal to plus or minus 1. This is the selection rule. Okay, this is the equation of rotational energy levels of a diatomic molecule.